everybody, it's Kelsee Briana J, and today I'm doing a very special video on some pieces that I received from House of Sillage, and the time is here to unveil this very special collection that I've had to hold. I've had it sitting over there, and I wanted to do a first impressions with you all, and so I saved it so I can give you all a true reaction to how I feel about these products. And so it's time for me to open them up, and as you all can tell by the title, this is going to be a first impressions unboxing of the new Disney x House of Sillage collection. Yay! Oh my goodness! Okay, so I am a massive Disney fan. Of course, like many of you all, I grew up on Disney and I've gone to the parks. I own all of the movies. I used to watch them over and over again as a child, and even sometimes now. But I just have been so excited about this launch, and so I'm so excited to be unboxing it with you all. As much as I am a fan of Disney, I'm also a huge fan of House of Sillage and their fragrances and their lipstick bows. I actually have some bows on my wall right now in a display case because I think that they are true works of art, and so I'm so excited whenever I get packages from them. And this one is a super special collaboration that I definitely wanted to make sure to share with you all, so I'm excited to unbox it. Of course, I've already unboxed it right now, and then I'm coming back to do the intro after I've already done, you know, the full video. But I want to share this moment with you all. Thank you so much, House of Sillage, for being so kind enough to send me these beautiful products, as well as all the other beautiful products that you all have sent me before. So let's go ahead and do it, and I hope that you all enjoy. So let's go ahead and unbox our package. Package time, package time. You know, like on Blue's Clues where it's like, mail time. That's how I feel right now. House of Sillage always gives the most beautiful presentation. I love it. I actually may need some assistance from somebody. Somebody over there. I am not holding this up. I'm getting a little bit of assistance here to unbox this box. Ribbons off. Okay. Look at that. Silky pony. Oh, it's a letter. See, normally I like to open this before I open this, but I'm going to put my boyfriend out of his misery, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and open. Oh, look at all this stuff. Okay. Look at Nicole, looking as beautiful as ever. This is the Disney x House of Sillage, the Mickey Mouse perfume and Minnie Mouse bow lipstick case set. Oh, I'm so excited to see. Oh my goodness, even the packaging says Disney x House of Sillage. No detail went unnoticed. And this is just packaging to make sure that, you know, nothing gets damaged. So I'm just going to move that out of there. Here is the case for the lipstick set, and here's the case for the fragrance. Thank you so much for your assistance. I want to unbox the lipstick first since I don't have on any. So I love this box. So cute. You all, I'm such a huge Disney fan, and especially Minnie and Mickey Mouse. I love it. I'm definitely keeping this entire set. I mean, it feels so nice. Even the box is smooth, and that's what I'm talking about. When you are getting something so nice and luxurious, I look for quality in every aspect of it, and just so far, even with the box, I am just highly impressed, and I want to make sure that I take care of this. So on the inside, there's a card of authenticity, and then there's a case for the case, and then here's our lipstick, which you can use it by itself without having the case, but why would you want to? Why? You need the case. So let me show you all the case. It's so cute. It's so cute. I love black. That is my favorite shade for anything. So I'm so glad they went with black here. I mean, they could have gone with red too, but definitely black is just sexy. So on the front it says Disney x House of Sillage, and then on the back it says Disney, and the case feels really nice. It feels like leather. I'm not sure if it is leather, but it feels like it for sure. Feels very supple. And then the actual lipstick comes in this drawstring bag, and again the drawstring bag says Disney x House of Sillage. Oh wow, this is so beautiful. These are the kind of things that as a little girl I would have died to have, and now to be able to have them as an adult, I just am always so grateful. I think this is beautiful. Just look at this with all of the rhinestones and how intricate it is in the placement, and just based on everything that Alex and Nicole told us during our Behind the Beauty episode, as well as when we were able to talk to them one-on-one. I mean, everything that they do is handmade, and Nicole continuously pushes the envelope to get greatness, and I think this is absolutely beautiful. Every detail here is just breathtaking. There's so many crystals in here. It's crystals that go across the lining, and then the crystals that are placed on the bow are 100% symmetrical, which is something that I look for when I'm getting something luxurious. I look for symmetry, because to me that shows that you took your time to do it. You didn't just slap it on there. And then on the top of either side, whichever side you have it on, it says Disney X House of Sillage on here, and I love the gold trimming. This is truly beautiful. I think this one is my favorite lipstick bow that I have thus far. I think this is really special. I mean, I love the shade of red that they selected. It's like a strawberry red, and I love how this one has so many crystals in here. I think that is absolutely gorgeous. All of my lipsticks that I have from them have the crystal trimming on them, but none of them have crystals like actually on the lipstick bow. That is so special. That didn't even account for the actual lipstick, which I know this shade is going to be beautiful as well. And I know that this shade was especially curated for this collection, so this is a new shade to their lineup, and it is called Magical. This is their diamond powder lipstick formula. Very beautiful shade. Oh, it's so pretty. It's a bit deeper than the actual bow, but I think it'll be pretty, and it complements one another. And then you stick the lipstick down on the side that has House of Sillage on it, and then it's ready to go. You can take this lipstick out. You don't necessarily have to keep this one in there. You can definitely put one of your other lipsticks that they make inside, but I think this is just so pretty, so pretty. So let me go ahead and apply this color. Ooh, and it smells like vanilla. Ooh. Pretty. I love this shade. I think that it is absolutely gorgeous. This looks like a shade that Minnie Mouse would wear for sure. It's such a beautiful rich tone of red. It has just a little bit of burgundy in it, and I love it. Love it. It feels very moisturizing. It's very opaque. So now let's open up the fragrance now that I have my lips together. And this is the box that it comes in. Super pretty, just like the lipstick box. And then on the top, it again has Minnie and Mickey. And I love this illustration that they selected of them for this. This has a velvet feel to it. I love that. And then of course we have, you know, a little bit of extra padding in there for security purposes. And then on the padding, it has like little slits to secure what I'm about to show you, which is the perfume. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness, this is something special, you all. It's so pretty. Do you all see how House of Sillage's boxes are, where you can open it up and basically you are presented with the perfume like this? Oh my goodness, and it's so heavy. It's so weighty. I want to weigh it. I'm gonna weigh it so you all can see how much it weighs. Seriously, you just give me 1 minute. Do you all see the little ears? This is a display piece. I love this. Love it. And you can keep this forever. So when you're done with this fragrance, you can just take it off. You can replace it if you want to, because on the inside it says Disney X House of Sillage. And I just think that every detail of this is just, it's amazing. And they said that this is the first time that Disney allowed someone to put the ears on something cosmetic related, and so I think that is a really cool monumental moment as well. And then I love how it has all of the crystals adorned all in here. I don't even know how many it is, because it's crystals that are around the lining, and then of course it's crystals here all on the ears, and then of course it's crystals right at the top where it says Disney X House of Sillage. So it's just another level of luxury And that's without even smelling it. I have to smell. I love, oh my gosh, you all, I seriously, this is my favorite thing that I have ever gotten from House of Sillage. This is so special. That smells so nice. One thing about House of Sillage is that they are going to give you something that is beautiful to look at, but also functional, because this scent is fun, but it's not immature. It smells like something that you would wear on a day-to-day basis, but it's not super sweet. It has just a hint of sweetness to it. It's very unique, and that's what I like about them. I must say, they last the longest, and I love the way that they smell, and I love the trail that they leave. I love how unique each scent is that they make. I just love the way that all of their fragrances work with my body chemistry, and this one is just... I have a little card here. I'll tell you all the notes. So it has bergamot, mandarin, and cardamom as the top notes. The heart notes are orange blossom, coconut milk, and cocoa. And then the base notes are modern amber, sandalwood, and vanilla. So I smell all of those things, and that is a very unique combination. And I'm not even a person who typically loves super sweet scents, but like I said, this one is not like that. It's sweet, but with a little bit of mystery to it. So I love that. You only need a little bit with theirs. Whenever you have these fragrances, they're going to last you for such a long time, because you are not going to go to town with these, because you only need 1 or 2 sprays and you'll be able to smell it. That is good. I love it. It says that the joyful fragrance transports you to the magical world of Disney with their iconic mouse couple, Mickey and Minnie. This whimsical scent is symbolic of the famous couple's ever-loving relationship, incorporating sparkling notes of refreshing coconut, bright florals, and sweet vanilla. Oh, it smells so fresh, and I love the coconut. I love it. But it's not super coconutty. So for those of y'all who are not big fans of coconuts, it is not a traditional coconut scent. I promise you, the way that House of Sillage does stuff is just so fun. So I love scents from them that include ingredients that I typically would not like from anybody else. But the way that House of Sillage does it, I love it. Love it. In conclusion, you cannot go wrong with anything that House of Sillage does. House of Sillage is so kind enough to send me so many things, but even if House of Sillage never sent me anything, this is a brand that I wouldn't mind investing in, because I love things like this. I love how luxurious these things are. I think that they are extremely well made. I don't have anything at all, like even remotely like this in my collection, and it's always so special to have pieces like this, because it just symbolizes decadence, and I think that everybody should treat themselves, and there's something here for everyone, and their fragrances are just so beautiful. So I highly recommend you checking them out. And if you are a Disney fan, I mean, this is like the Disneyest thing that you could possibly have, and I love it. I have got to figure out where I'm going to put it, how I'm going to display it, because I definitely am going to be displaying this, and I think that it is so gorgeous. Thank you so much to House of Sillage for sending this over to me. I honestly am going to treasure this. I'm going to keep this forever. These are some of the most beautiful things that I have in my makeup collection, period. I'm just so happy to have these. Please do yourself a favor and check out these products. I will have a link down in my description box. It is an affiliate link, so if you do click my link, I do receive a small commission, but this is not a sponsored video. They did not tell me what to say or how to feel or how to react or anything like that. They just sent these products, and to me, the products speak for themselves because they are just simply beautiful. So thank you again to House of Sillage. I truly appreciate you all. Let me know if you all have tried any of their fragrances and what are some of your favorites if you have, and I will check you all in my very next video, which will be super soon. Smooches. Bye.